squishy, squishy, I like squishy. Today's video is brought to you by Squarespace, the all-in-one platform to help build your brand and grow your business online. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Thank you so very much for joining me for another installment of the 25 calendars of Christmas, where we're going to be unboxing at minimum. The very least we're going to be doing is 25 advent calendars here on the channel. Today we have one that I'm actually super excited about this. Like, I'm hoping and praying that this is actually good. You know, it's kind of hard to find a good advent calendar these days, unless it's full of candy or something. Even then. Anyway, so today we have the FabFitFun calendar here, and I actually do really enjoy FabFitFun as a subscription. I've been getting it for a long time now, and I enjoy getting things that aren't just makeup related, so I'm hoping this is like an all-over calendar, so we're not just gonna see like beauty stuff, we're gonna see FabFitFun stuff. Dang it, how much does this thing cost? Okay, so it's $89.99 with a MSRP, which I guess is retail value of $297. So apparently that is a 70% savings, and it is a 12-day advent calendar, so that's all I want to know about it. I'm not gonna look any further into it. But yeah, I'm really excited to see what's in here, so let's go ahead and dig on in. Ooh, these boxes are very large. These are some of the largest doors I've ever seen. Very exciting. I mean, like, look at the dimensions of some of these doors. My goodness. Starting off here with day number 1, let's see what we got. Just try not to rip the entire calendar off on the first day. See what we got. Mom, I got you a gift. It's a wine tumbler. What a wine tumbler is, I do not know. This has a martini glass on the front though, so it says we're here to lift your spirits, inspire you to celebrate good days, bad days, birthdays, wedding days, and everything in between. So yeah, you know, a good tumbled wine, I'm sure it does lift your spirits. So let's see what they're talking about. The only thing I can imagine is like just a regular tumbler that you put wine in. Yeah, I think that's exactly what we have here. So it looks like a fairly standard tumbler, you know, one that you would put coffee in, but it's a little bit curved here at the bottom, and I guess that makes it perfect for wine. It is actually really pretty. I like this kind of ombre blue on it, a little bit like a darker blue at the bottom, going up here to a lighter blue. Very nice. It does also have a lid to it, so you know if you're like on the go with your wine. Also, my entire life, like, I have very vibrant memories of my mom sitting outside enjoying glasses of wine, and also putting her finger into her drink and pulling out gnats. Never throw the wine away though, that would be wasteful. This, you know, might help a little bit to keep anything out of your wine that you don't want in it. But also you can put other things besides wine in here. I'm fairly certain. You know, you could throw some juice in there, probably some coffee. It does seem insulated. Ooh, okay, so day number 2 over here is a very large door, so I'm quite excited to see what we got in there. What is that? Next thing we have is a little travel set here with all sorts of different bottles and stuff in it, and a funnel. That's fun. Funnel. I mean, this little bag is cute and stuff. It says clear for takeoff, and then it has some like just planes buzzing around, but you know, maybe, I don't know if this is like the most amazing product to see like an advent calendar. I feel like you can find these little sets at Walmart. Actually, I feel like I know you can find these little sets at Walmart that have like the measured out travel size things inside little bags. Oh, there's a little spatula down there though. I do love little spatulas. And the plastic smells nice. Oh, that's a shame. Okay, so this one I can see that it's actually cracked. The lid was probably screwed on a little bit too tight and it cracked, so I feel like I couldn't use this one because of, like, you know, it's not like fully sealed. That does make me question a little bit like the entire I want to say goodness, but that's not the right word. Quality. The quality of the entire little set here, because that did crack apparently so easily. I don't know, but we just have a couple of little bottles to fill with like lotion and stuff. There's a spritzy bottle in here, and it is nice that it comes with a funnel to like kind of help you get the stuff in there. You know what my first thought upon seeing this was? Not that I could like put lotion in it and take it with me. It was that this would be really good to like fill with ranch and like put in lunches. You know, just like a little sauce thing, so you don't have to like pour your salad dressing on your salad. It can be like separate. That's the first thing I thought. But anyway, that is day number 2. It is nice that it's a 12-piece set and it comes with a bag, but I'm just worried a little bit about the quality. Day number 3 over here is in another very large door, and it's kind of interesting shapes. Let's see what we got. I'm not gonna look yet. Ooh, is that bubble wrap? If I'm looking at you guys, that means I literally can't see what's in here because my vision's real bad. Ooh, squishy, squishy. I like squishy. Ah! These are gonna be so nice and cozy in Scotland. What's that? Oh, scrunchies! Okay, so the next thing we have in here are 3 pairs of just like very thick plush socks. We have kind of like a cheetah leopard print, and then there's just a white pair, and then another cheetah leopard print. I don't know the difference. These are from Summer and Rose. It is the sock and scrunchie set. That's an interesting combination of things. I guess it kind of works, you know, for like the top of your body and the bottom of your body. But these feel very, very soft and cozy. It's gonna be cold over there, you guys. It's gonna be cold. It's gonna be very rainy and cold. I'm still gonna love it though. I feel like these might even be nice, like not just to wear like around the apartment and things, but like actually inside boots. Maybe I should buy my boots like a size big so I can just fit layers of socks. You know, we leave for Scotland in like 9 days from now, and I don't have anything for it. And in between that time of when I leave for Scotland for 20 days, which I'm not prepared for, I'm getting married, which I'm also slightly not prepared for. Our living room's like a workshop. There's 720 feet of fabric just strewn about in the living room and like 3,000 fake flowers. Eventually they will become drapes and like flower arrangements, but not yet. Anyway, I'm excited about these. I feel like I'm gonna be able to get some good use out of them, and they make sense for like a holiday advent calendar. Very nice and cozy. Before we move on, I would love to tell you about today's sponsor, Squarespace. I have been working with and using Squarespace for over a year now, and it has been all around amazing. As a business owner myself, Squarespace has been so helpful, and now that my business is expanding and we're opening up a second store, Squarespace is gonna be absolutely necessary. Squarespace can help anyone build their brand and grow their business online. Whether you're a business owner who wants to start selling online, an artist who wants to show off their craft, or a blogger who strives to inspire people, Squarespace has something for everyone. They offer customizable galleries where you can display images and videos in unique ways, which really helps put your personality into your website and makes it uniquely you. They also offer blogging and commenting features that allow you to create a community on your Squarespace site. Their system supports sorting comments, replies, and likes, along with the capability to categorize, share, and schedule your posts. Plus, Squarespace keeps you fully connected to all your social medias by displaying posts from your social profiles directly on your website so your followers can see it and share it too. So whatever it is that you're passionate about, Squarespace has all the tools you need to build your brand, grow your business, and pursue your passion. So head on over to squarespace.com for a free trial, and then when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/AlexandriaRyan for 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. And just thank you so very much to Squarespace for your continued support of the channel. You make videos like these possible. Alright, date number 4 is up next here. Gonna go in blind again. Ooh, it's kind of big. Okay, so the next thing we have in here is a satin pillowcase. And is this just one? I really wish they would send like a pair of pillowcases, because like in my experience, most people have like 2 of the same pillow on their bed. So now I kind of feel like I would have to like go purchase another one to match it if I wanted to use it. I do like satin pillowcases though. This one is from Kitsch Beauty. This is in the shade Silver, and I do also kind of potentially wish they had sent a white one, because I don't know if this shade is gonna like match everybody's decor. It kind of would match mine. I do have a lot of gray in my room, but this one's more of like silver, a silvery gray with a little bit of like a blue tone to it. And it's also for a standard pillowcase. I think all my pillows are king size, but I'm sure I'll make it work somewhere. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. However, FabFitFun, I would suggest sending 2 pillowcases and anything you want to put pillowcases in, just because of it makes sense. Okay, I'm gonna assume that this wasn't supposed to be in day number 4, and it just kind of popped down from the day above it, so we'll wait on that for just a second. Okay, day number 5 over here is kind of small. Okay, so the next thing we have in here is from Nude Sticks. I know it's from Nude Sticks, not because I can actually see the brand name on it, because I can't, but that's why I know, because I can't see the name. The Nude Sticks logo is like a shinier black on top of a less shiny black. This is their Nudies Matte Luxe All Over Face Blush color. Oh, there's a little tiny brush at the end. How cute, look at that, just like a little tiny kabuki brush. That smells just like off-brand crayons. The color is really nice though. It's just a nice like dusty rose. I feel like that's the shade name that I give everything. I'm like, oh, it's a dusty rose. I can't really think of anything else to call it. A muted mauve, maybe. This is a multitasking luxe balm to create ultra soft blurring cheek, blush, natural eye color, and creamy lip. Wow, it does a little bit of everything. And then of course it does have a little brush at the bottom. It says you can twist it off to wash it. Oh, that's clever. I never really even thought about that. Like, how would you wash something that was stuck to a makeup product? But yeah, I could twist it right off. Didn't even see the shade name up here, but it's Rosy Posse. So okay, I was justified in saying Dusty Rose. I think Rose is in the name, so I think that's fine. All right, so that was day number 5. Let's go ahead here and move on to day number 6. I feel like I can't be like aggressive with this calendar, like rip it open. Ooh, whatever this is feels very heavy. So the next item we have in here is a skincare item. This is from Glossier. It says it is a super pure niacinamide and zinc serum, which I wonder if it's supposed to be for like maybe acne control. It doesn't say. I love it when products just give me no information. Hopefully the inside actual little bottle will tell me. No. What does it do? Is there like a peel off thing, you know, like you get on prescriptions? No, also no. Okay. Anyway, the only reason I said that potentially it could be for acne is because I know that zinc is actually good for acne spots. And I'm telling you guys, I know it sounds ridiculous, but I have been using dandruff and seborrheic dermatitis shampoo for like a couple of years now. And that is what absolutely saved my face back when I was having like big flare-ups on my face. It wasn't even necessarily like acne, it was like my skin was scales. Like if you went the wrong direction rubbing my face, you could like poke your finger. I don't know what was going on. It was really bad, but zinc really helped my face. And if I do get any breakouts and I use that shampoo, it helps clear them up so very much. So I was wondering if like the zinc in this was to help with like clearing your skin. I truly wish I could give you guys more information. It just says apply over clean face and full of moisturizer, and that's about it. I am gonna have to smell it though. I want to see what this smells like. Wow, absolutely nothing. Okay, fun.
Glossier super pure niacinamide and zinc serum.
I did also forget that the internet is a thing that exists. What does it do? Oh, okay, yeah. So it says the zinc PCA helps reduce the look of congested pores without the drying effects that come along with your usual acne treatments. So yeah, it will help with like clearing up your skin a little bit of it. Since I use zinc daily anyway, maybe I could give this a try. Or maybe is that too much zinc? Maybe I should stop putting shampoo on my face and use something that is meant to go on your face instead. I'll give it a try. I'll test it out and see if this works as well as my dandruff shampoo. Day number 7 is up next. Alright, so the next item we have in here is from Aether Beauty. I'm not 100% sure if that's how you say it. It's like upside down V, or you know, just like a pyramid with a triangle over it, THR. This is the Big Bang. If I'm not mistaken, I do believe this is a mascara. I feel like I've received this before, probably in FabFitFun. This is another one of the calendars that I'm wondering like a little bit if it's kind of like an Ipsy situation where they're just getting rid of stock in like a creative way, which that's probably all advent calendars just like throughout history. You know, companies are probably like, oh, we have too much of this one thing. How can we get rid of it during the biggest selling season of the year? Shove it in a box with 11 to 24 other things. Yes, okay, so this is a mascara. I have looked at this before. I don't want to open it up and expose it to, you know, like the bacterias and things. It does come in a pretty little packaging. I like the shiny lettering. It says this is the ultimate that's hard to say, panoramic lash volumizing mascara that curls, restores, and defines. Made with pure black diamond powder. Why is that a thing that you would need a mascara? Are they being serious about that? Black diamonds inside this mascara? For a supreme shine and a glossy finish. Well, that's just very fancy. I don't think I've ever heard of diamond powder being inside a mascara before. Is that actually in the ingredients? Yeah, there's diamond powder listed in the ingredients. Well, what do you know? Okay, so day number 8 is up next. I'm gonna open the door anyway, even though I'm pretty sure it's laying at the bottom right there. Yeah, it's empty. Okay, so we're gonna go down here to the downstairs neighbor, day number 4, and dig out the product. All right, next up here we have something from Aceology. This is a multivitamin brightening biodegradable mask that is supposed to what is it supposed to do? Illuminate, exfoliate, and strengthen the memory of a goldfish. I tell you, just like the baby goldfish, the tiniest of baby goldfish. I never really thought about masks not being biodegradable. I'm not 100% sure if I've ever really thought about like what a sheet mask was made out of. I kind of assumed it was like cotton or something, but it's really nice that these are biodegradable. So it's supposed to be a glow-inducing treatment that delivers a dose of vitamin B3, vitamin C, and vitamin E to your skin via an ultra-thin biodegradable sheet made from natural lyocell fibers. There's so many just things in the world. You know, I don't know what a lyocell is. That's the first time I've ever heard that word in my entire life. I couldn't even, I'm sure it's a plant or something. Lyocell. Yeah, Siri doesn't know either. Anyway, there we have day number 8. Moving right along to day number 10 down here, and I'm assuming this is some type of squeeze tube of cream. Wow, what do you know? Tangerine glow. Is that supposed to be like some type of self-tanner? Like just that nice tangerine glow that you get from doing your own fake tan in your bathroom at your house. Speaking from absolute personal experience. Okay, no, this is a Velvet Luxe vegan body and hand cream. I think it's interesting that they put body and hand. I'm fairly certain your hands count as part of your body, but also you use your hands to put the body cream on. If you didn't, it would be a little, you know, a little awkward. This has virgin olive oil and avocado oil in it. I'm assuming it's gonna smell like tangerines, which probably smells really nice. It does smell like tangerines. It has like a nice citrusy scent to it. I'm becoming really fond of citrusy scents in like lotions and things like that. The orange and yellow color of any candy are like the least superior candies. The most are the reds and the blues. Sometimes pink if available, and then in the middle we have like the greens, and then at the very bottom we have the oranges and the yellows. And that's my candy ranking for the day. That smells really nice. I do like a nice citrusy scent. It just feels light and fresh, and it's really good. All right, right next door to day number 10, we have door number 11. I'm feeling something cylindrical and slippery. All right, next up here we have something I think for your hair. This is the Perfect Repair Treatment Mask from Nature Lab Tokyo, and I feel like I received a PR package. Why would they send me PR? And it all looked really cool. Like the bottles look kind of like sciencey and stuff, like those beakers and things. But yes, this is for your hair. It says it is color safe, which is good for my hair because my hair is colored. This is a bamboo and keratin fortified deep conditioning treatment for smoother, stronger hair, which, you know, I could use that. Okay, folks, we definitely missed a day. Yeah, we've missed a day for sure. So day number 9 isn't opened here, and I feel like we should open it, even though yet again I know that day number 9 is just hanging out down here in day number 2. Probably from when I like punched the calendar earlier. But since it's already fallen down, we can do it again. Day number 9 is empty. We'll go ahead and grab it from down here. The next item we have here is from the Beauty Crop. I think this is... Also to say, I think this is liquid eyeshadow, but look at this. What about this just screams liquid eyeshadow to you? Probably nothing, because that's a lip gloss wand. So this is like a dual-ended lip product here. This kind of reminds me of one of my favorites, which are these Revlon Color Stay things. You have like color on the ends and then a gloss. This is in the shade Lychee. It is a creamy lip tint with a gloss, and that actually sounds really nice. I like a nice lip tint. It doesn't say if it's supposed to be long-lasting or anything, but I do think the color is pretty, so yeah, I might test this out. But I do really like these, and I bought like 7 of them trying to get like my perfect wedding color, so I might not want to waste this because I have so many of these. Alright you guys, that brings us to the very final day here, which is day number 12. I'm hoping for something pretty good inside of the store. I want to rip it so bad and it won't let me. The Spongele. Alright, so for day number 12 here, we have the Spongele, and this is something that we have seen several times inside of FabFitFun, so maybe my suspicions are a little bit correct that these are just leftover products that they're trying to just get it out the door. Get it out the door because they have so much leftover stock of them. But that's just a theory. That's just a theory. This is in the scent Peony Blush. You get 14 uses out of these little guys, and they're just like sponges that are infused with body wash. We've had these before. They honestly smell fantastic. They really do. They come in like a cute little flowery shape, and yeah, I mean, it smells really good. This is a bit like strongly floral for me. I guess it's peony, so that makes sense. So okay, yeah, that was the final day of the advent calendar. Maybe not like the most exciting day to end on, but honestly, I don't know if any of it's been like crazy exciting. You know what I mean? Like this hasn't been like an over-the-top exciting advent calendar. I think the thing I truly was like most jazzed about were the socks. So that's not really saying anything because I'm a sock person. I do really enjoy a nice sock. But I do think out of everything, this is what like I'm looking most forward to. You know, we got some like skincare, hair care items. I am kind of excited to try out this zinc stuff. We got a couple of makeup items, you know, like the mascara and like the lip tint and the other little tint, and then a few kind of like household items. So I do think it's kind of a good representation of FabFitFun and the things that they offer. $89.99 is a little bit expensive. With like a regular FabFitFun subscription, I think it's like 50 bucks a box or something like that. And I feel like you would get more value out of just like a regular FabFitFun box potentially than you would from this here, because those range from like 200 plus like up to 400 or something dollars value per box. And this was like $279 in value. So I mean, yeah, it's fine. It's fine. If you're looking for an advent calendar that's not necessarily just makeup or beauty based, maybe you want it for like a gift for somebody, this could be a cute gift for somebody, you know, kind of like a self-care kind of thing for the holiday season. Get you a nice bath with your Spongele, get you your tumbler full of wine, sit in your tub, relax with these socks on after. I could see it. I could see it being like kind of a cute gift. But overall, I think I am just a little bit disappointed. I don't think I'm like fully blown away or anything, but I would love to know all of your all's thoughts and opinions. Leave your thoughts down below in the comments. I love reading and responding to them. And be sure to stick around for just a second longer because we do have one extra bonus advent calendar unboxing. And alright you guys, so that's everything I have for you all today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It means the absolute world to me. And I hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!